Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send snap from camera roll as a normal snap without filter. So first of all, we'll go to the Snapchat mobile application here and we will go to the camera roll, which is on left side. Here you can see, right, and I'll just go to the camera roll. There's a lot of photos. So for example, if I want to take this photo and I want to send this as a normal snap, how I can do it, right? So I will just click on the drop down menu, and here that is on top right side corner, and after that there's here I will tap on the scissor icon, right? So after that I have to select whole photo, okay, and I will just I will use this as a paintbrush, like I will just paint this whole photo. And after doing it, just let me show you. Okay, so I have selected whole photo. Okay, now I will just click on done, and after that I have to just go back and I will save as a copy, right? And after saving as a copy, it will just take a few seconds. I will just go back and I will take a new snap here, and after taking a new snap I will just go to this on the top right side corner. After the pencil icon, you can see there is a page icon type. We will just click on that, and here on the top we will click on the scissor icon, right? And after that, here you can see that photo that we have saved. I'll just take this and I will zoom it and fit according to my size, and after that we will just click on next and we will send this snap, right? I can just put my story and I can just send my friends and all that. So after that I will just click on the forward button, which is on bottom right side corner, and here you can see that I have sent this snap, right? So this is pretty easy guys. You can do it very easily without any filters and all that. You have to just do according what I have showed you, and you have to follow the step properly. So this is it. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.